In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the missing Teams meeting button in Outlook. If the button has disappeared from your Outlook calendar or email ribbon, the usual cause is that the Microsoft Teams add-in is disabled. To restore it, start by opening Outlook on your computer. Go to the File tab in the top left corner to access the Backstage view, then click Options at the bottom of the sidebar. In the Outlook Options window, select Add-ins. This section lists all extensions Outlook loads, including the one responsible for the Teams Meeting button. Look for an add-in named Microsoft Teams Meetings or Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. If it appears here, Outlook recognizes it. If you don't see it in the main list, check the bottom of the window for the Manage box and click the Go button beside it. This opens another window showing available add-ins. Look again for any item referencing Microsoft Teams Meetings. If it's there but not enabled, select it and click Enable. This tells Outlook to load the add-in again. After enabling, Outlook may refresh the ribbon automatically. Wait a moment, then check your Calendar tab or Message Compose window. The Teams Meeting option should reappear, usually among other meeting or conferencing tools. A few reminders: these steps apply to the Outlook desktop app, not the web version. If you use multiple profiles, make sure you're editing the correct one. If the add-in appears but was disabled, enabling it is often all you need to bring back the Teams Meeting button.